Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So basically this video will be quite short because this whole operation is so easy, trust me. Basically all you have to do in order to show the percentage on the status bar is to tap on the settings and scroll until you will find the battery. As you can see, it should be in the kind of third section on the second position. So let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got the option battery percentage, which is currently turned off because I've got only the battery indicator on the status bar. So let's tap on the switcher, and as you can see, actually immediately next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off in the same way, but let me leave it like this as it is quite useful. So basically that's all. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.